Welcome back to Mastering Languages channel.
マスタリング・ラングジェスチャンネルへようこそ。
In this video, we will be learning about numbers.
この動画で数字について学びます。
Now, let's go into the video.
動画の中へ入りましょ
We'll first be learning the numbers 1 through 10.
う。1、
This means 1.
2、
This means 2.
3、
This means 3.
4、
This means 4. So this kanji can be pronounced as shi or yon.
5、
This means 5.
6、
This means 6.
7、
This means 7. This kanji can also be pronounced as shichi or nana.
8、
This means 8.
9、
This means 9.
10、
This means 10.
11、
This means 11.
12、
This means 12.
13、
This means 13.
14、
This means 14.
15、
This means 15.
16、
This means 16.
17、
This means 17.
18、
This means 18.
19、
This means 19.
20、
This means 20. So this kanji can be pronounced as 17 or 17. For example, we can say the number 45 as
45、
and the number 57 as.
57、
The Japanese word for 100 is
100、ランディ、
arigatou gozaimasu.
Thank you。